Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to start with the lecture number 34. I have already uploaded 33 lectures in this series, and I hope you must have watched them. If you haven't watched them, I recommend you to please watch those videos and come back to this one because it would be much easier and helpful for you to understand the lecture if you have watched the previous videos. This was the output of the previous video, the lecture number 33, and there we have studied how to change the colors of row, column or individual cell or the entire table. So this is the output of the lecture number 33, yes, and now this is the code of the lecture number 33. I hope you have seen this video and you are understanding the concepts. So I'm just copying this particular code and now I'm going to make a new file and just pasting this code here and going to save it with the name lecture 34 because we have to make some amendments in this file only. So in the today's lecture we are going to study that how to change the color of the font. As now I am going to load the file number 34 here. Yes, this is the output of file 34. This is example 10, which is our today's lecture. And now we have to change the color of the text. Yes, the text. So we learned how to change the color of the entire table, the row, the column, individual cell. Now we are going to understand how to make the formattings on text. So as you have studied the font tag previously, here also we have to use the same font tag to change the color or the face or the size. So here I am just applying some color, say white. I am applying the white color to the text here like this. Say the size and its heading, so I'm not going to change the size. I'm just applying the color and now you see the output. Now you can see that we have just changed the color and we can change this color to each and every heading. So it's up to you which color you want to apply. It's up to you that which is your favorite color, which is the favorite formatting you want to apply on your documents. I am just demonstrating the files, demonstrating the tags, and I hope you are getting the point. If you are having any confusions regarding this video or some other, I request you to please drop your query into the comment box. So here the problem is that the color is not appearing just because I have not applied the font tag. We have to apply the font tag and we just have to close it also. So here this is the font tag we have started and we have applied the color. As you know how to apply the font tag, I have taught you that in the previous videos. So here I have applied the font tag and now wherever we want to apply font color, font size, font face, we just have to apply the font tag properly and then we will get the desired color. So here also I am applying that same color like this. I am applying white color to each and every heading and this last one also. Font color equals to, that is for white, that code is for white. I hope you have watched the video for the hexa codes. So if you haven't watched, you will get some confusion, some doubts at what's happening here. So I recommend you to watch the video for hexa codes. It's in the series you are watching right now. So now I'm refreshing this page and now you can see the color of each and every heading has been changed to white as we have applied the hexa code for white color. You just have to just go to the code properly. Just try the code by yourself. You are free to make changes, to learn more, to enhance your knowledge. You should change the code. You should try different things on your code, on your browser, on your atom. So I always say, I always recommend that whenever you watch this video, whenever you go to the video, you just try the things by yourself. That would be helpful for you to understand and learn the things properly. So here I have just changed the color of the font. Now I am going to make some more changes to the font. So now here I am going to apply font color. So here we are having yellow and this is black. So say blue. Let's take blue. So I'm writing blue like this only, or you can just take the hexa code, and this is the code for blue. And now I'm making some changes. I'm just giving size, say 6, and now I'm also making changes with the font face. Say I'm giving Comic Sans MS. You can choose your favorite or the required font face. So it's up to you that which font face or font size you require. So what I have done, what you see, what I'm doing here, I'm just applying the font tag with the TD tag. So never forget, always remember this, that the font tag is applied near the text. Where is text? Text is in the TD, in the TH. So you have to apply the font tag along with this text. So here 1001 is written and it is the text on which we have to apply the formatting, the color, the size, the font face. So we have to apply this font tag inside the TD. Don't forget that we have to apply the font tag inside the TD, and we have to close it before TD, as we have applied it near the text. So we have to close it near the text. Now I'm just saving it and going to refresh the browser. So you will just notice the changes. So now you can see the changes. Okay, so you are free to use your favorite font face. Just change it to brush script empty. You can change and apply your own font face. So you are free to change. And I told you how to get the font faces if you have watched the video of font. So now I hope you are getting the point. I am just copying this font again and going to apply it to each and every number, the numeric portion. And don't forget to close the tag whenever you open it. As we have opened the font tag, we have to close it, because if we are making some changes or we are making some errors, then the things would not appear properly. So we always have to remember that whenever we are using tags, we have to open and close the tags properly. So now here you can see that I have changed the color to this. So you are free to change the color again, the color of the text, the color of the table, even the color of the background. So let's change the color of the background. How we change the color of background? By applying BG color. And I have taught this in some starting beginning lectures of this series. So I'm just applying some color. And this is a random color like this I have applied. And I'm changing the BG color of this table too, from yellow to some different color. Say shade of yellow or orange I'm getting. Yes. We can make changes as per the requirements. So it's up to you, whichever color you want to apply, like this. So here we saw that how to apply changes to the text. Now I'm going to make changes to the complete table. So you also try the codes. Apparently you have to try the code with us, with me. So because whenever you try, the things come to your mind. You get the things more clear. When you make mistakes, you learn the things. So always try the code along with. Whenever you see a video, you just try the code and see that are you able to do the things. So now, as I have just applied font face Times New Roman, it's appearing on the browser. As you have seen, Aman is now appearing the Times New Roman font with the font size 6. And if we want to make it bold, we can just apply the bold tag as we do the formatting on the normal text on the paragraphs, etc. So we can make it bold, italic, underline, whatever. Even the links if we want to apply. I will teach how to apply links on some videos, upcoming videos. So always stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell, because as soon as you press the notification bell, you start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. I regularly upload a video. I upload a video per day. So it would be much easier and helpful for you to learn the concepts. So it will helpful for you to digest how to do web designing, and it is the basic concept. So if you want to be a computer person, if you want to learn computer, there are various videos on this channel, so don't forget to check out the playlist. Now I am going to make some more changes, like say italic, and this is the way how to make the changes to the content of the table. So it's a table which is containing different colors, different font size. And now I'm giving you an assignment that just try to work with this table on your system, try to make changes, try to use more good colors on your browsers, on your code, and just try to complete this. I have just made some changes. You have to make a complete table with different colors, different background colors. I hope you like the video. If you like this, share it with your friends, help them to understand web designing, help them to understand HTML tags. If you are a subscriber, thanks for subscribing FameWord Educational Hub, and if you are new, subscribe FameWord Educational Hub. See you in the next video, and there I will tell you how to apply links on table cells. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.